Today I want to show you one software that will help you to download any video from any website, movies or mini clips, doesn't matter. It will help you to get in your computer or laptop, whatever. Why I show you this? Because I know myself, I was looking for info in some things, and I needed to go on YouTube to search always, and always to write that clip to understand how to fix my problem. Then it's very easy. You open a new page, go settings or option, extension terms, find more add-ons, and you type the add-on there easily. So I do this. You can type like Flash Video Downloader on it and you will get it. This one. Then it will pop up like this to me because I have it already, ask me to remove, but if you don't have it, it will ask you to add it to your browser. Sorry for my language, is not that well, but I try my best. Then that is it, and you can go example on YouTube, any video you choose, and right up corner you will see the sign. Click on it, will show you the quality you want to download. You choose the folder, and that is it. Like example, let's say this one is like this. You don't need to choose nothing here, leave like that. You only choose the place and save, and you have it there. That is it. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Wish you the best. Bye.